Hello everybody, today I'm teaching you how to make an easy way slime. First, you need a bottle of glue. You can double this if you want, and it depends how much slime you want. You can double this if you want, it depends how much slime you want. After you have done that, you will close back the cover. After you have done that, we will keep letting the shaving foam. After we have gathered the shaving foam, we're going to stir it together. Keep stirring it. Maybe you need a extra of shaving foam. Keep stirring it. Now, we are going to need an activator. So I'm using an activator almost half of one plastic cup. So we're going to slowly pour that in to our slime. After we have done that, we will keep stirring it. Try to not use eating spoons, or else maybe it won't eatable. So try to use.
Má mình mang đi ăn những sữa nào? Không được à?
Now, sorry to interrupt because someone is asking me some questions. Now, we'll just keep stirring it. Stir it until it becomes slime. Maybe you need to add some more if you wanna. You can add some more if you wanna. And then we're going to keep stirring it. Stirring it in. So, we need to stir it to become slime. So, I'm using this to be like slime. So, like my favorite way to be like making slime. So, that's an easy way to make slime. And it should be like that if you finish it. Like that if you finish it. Keep stirring it until the activator is still almost done. Keep one little bit. We're not going to use the whole cup. We're just going to use a little bit to keep stirring it until it becomes slime. Until it becomes slime. It's almost becoming slime. Almost. Look. It's fluffy now. We're going to take it. Keep stirring it until you see the bottom and until you feel that's very fluffy. And it doesn't matter if it's clean or not clean. The most important thing that it's becoming slime. Now, if it's too sticky in the spoon, just keep doing that until it's not sticky and get the slime out. And this is very good recipes to get slime, and that's my favorite way to make slime. And I've never seen so much slime before today. And we are going to see the slime stretching slime. But usually you need to cool it down like stretching slime. And then you need to let it sit for a while. After you let it sit for a while, or wash your hands first and then let it sit for a while, maybe in a container or tissue or wet tissue, and it'll become slime like this. Whoa! Hope to see you next time. Bye!